Hey love bugs, it's your girl Tiff. How's everyone doing today? I am the owner of Love and Light Charms, which is my sticker and stationery shop. I'm also the owner, organizer, and host of the Love and Light Planiversary Bash. So we're going into our third year, which is amazing. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for attending, believing in me. You guys have no idea how much that means to me. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. So that brings me to this video. This video is going to be a DIY on a green wall. To make a long story short, I thought I placed the order. I didn't. When it never arrived, I realized, oh snap, I'm in trouble. So I decided to do it myself. Went on Amazon, picked one that I like. It arrived, and I'm going to show you guys how I put it together and how it turned out. So keep watching.